Just getting ready for a science workshop on Saturday, and I thought I'd show you how I go about that. Now, there's an awful lot of kit involved with our science workshops because they're really hands-on, and we bring stuff for everyone to participate. So most of the stuff is stored in these boxes that you can see behind me in some sort of science theme order, but we are creeping up into the rafters, and there's stuff on the floor, and we've got a table full of stuff. This is where I prepare all the stuff. Could definitely do with a bigger space. That would be great, but anyway. That's another story. So this is a table where I prep everything, and let me just show you some of the activities that we've got lined up for Weston Museum on Saturday. The workshops at Weston Museum are all about food, and we've got loads of different activities we can experiment with using different foods. Over here, Skittles. This is for Rainbow Skittles experiment, which we do in Petri dishes, so all the children are going to get a chance to do the Rainbow Skittles experiment, because Skittles are not for eating, they are for science. Okay, we've got cornflour here for the oobleck crazy custard activity. I've got some goodies here, a very large measuring cylinder, vinegar, colouring, and sodium bicarbonate for an amazing explosion that somebody's going to help me with. We've got raisins and lemonade for the dancing raisins activity. Over here we've got some cabbage, and we've got some pH testing. Does anyone know what the connection is between the red cabbage and pH testing? Well, red cabbage is a fantastic pH indicator. It changes colour when it mixes with different acids and alkalis. At our Weston Museum workshop, the kiddos are going to be able to test 8 different foods, which you can see here. Oh, well, okay, yeah, that's not a food. But anyway, got a range of different foods here, and they're all decanted into little bottles so that the children can test these things to see whether they are acid or alkali using the cabbage juice indicator. Now, the only thing I haven't packed yet, which is going to go in here, is the fizzy lemons experiment. We're going to need an awful lot of lemons for Saturday's workshop. We've got 4 sessions, so we're going to need a lot of lemons for them, but I'll pick them up tomorrow, I think. Now, with the lemons, we're going to slice them in half, and the children are going to add sodium bicarbonate to the lemon. Do you know what happens when you add sodium bicarbonate, an alkali, to a lemon, which is an acid? It starts to fizz. Add some washing up liquid into that, and you get a fantastic foamy, frothy, bubbly potion. If you're in Weston or near Weston and you fancy some science for your kiddos, come along to the Weston Museum and book yourself onto the workshop, and you can get some hands-on messy science with me. See you on Saturday.